this resultant refuge type of situation. You use this word true path, which comes up a lot in Buddhist texts. Well, what does a true path mean?
So a true path means a direct perception of emptiness, right? So the true paths leading to true cessation, as we call it, right? So the true paths, by direct perception of emptiness, you start to eliminate afflictions, right? And then it's like a complicated washing machine, you could say, right? That you put in very dirty clothes, and then over time, first the coarser stains, the coarser afflictions gets eliminated, and then the more subtler one. So that happens on the true paths. The true paths has the power to eliminate afflictions together with their seeds, right? So that's the meaning of the true path. And then because it eliminates afflictions with their seeds, then you accomplish this cessation, so the true cessations, or the absence of affliction. So the absence of affliction is kind of a quality of the mind, like nirvana is a quality of the mind, right? The absence of affliction. So the true paths leading to that nirvana, or leading to that absence of affliction. So that's why it's a very important aspect within the Buddhist practice, right? Yeah.
So true paths is like a cognizer, meant like a pramana directly, and then the cessation is a quality of the mind.
The result, you could say, right? It produces the result, or the absence. So we don't want suffering, right? We don't want the cause of suffering. And the true path, so this yoga direct perception, gives us the tools to eliminate the cause of suffering, afflictions, together with the seeds. So that's kind of for a Buddhist practitioner, wow, that is my refuge. That is my safe direction. But how do I get there? That's important to know for us, right? So that's very structured, laid out in the text itself, how to get to this kind of incredible, inspiring yoga direct perception. And with that yoga direct perception, you'll be able to eliminate afflictions and their seeds. That's quite amazing, inspiring state of mind, right?
Yeah, amazing and inspiring, and also explains how crucial this subject is to the Buddhist path, because you sometimes hear that, oh, this is pramana is for, conventional reality, but actually the way you've described it is this is central to liberation, to awakening, this understanding this subject. So beautiful.
Is a language, right? It's a kind of, in science, we have the language of mathematics and statistics. And in the Buddhist part, we have the language of epistemology and reasoning. And that brings us in our meditations on the Lamrim also step by step further on the path. And then all the way up to this very inspiring yoga direct perception, how to get there. That's kind of quite important information for us to know, right? Yeah.
When you speak to scientists about yogic direct perception, how does that go down?
I mostly don't directly talk about yogic direct perception, but we mostly talk about, initially with aspects of distorted perceptions, and then we can talk about selflessness with Carlo Rovelli, for example. We had a very interesting discussion on dependent origination and emptiness, and he is very much in line with Nagarjuna's philosophy. So yeah, we talk about those aspects of mind, because yoga direct perception is quite far away, right? Yeah.
Maybe need to change the word yogic somehow. We can come over. Yeah.